Hello guys, today we will be talking about if someone is doing any type of crime, it could be included, we can include that any type of robbery in our house, any type of stealing in our house, any type of cheating in school or any type of crime in the road, should we complain about it? From my point of view, we should complain about it. Why? Because if we are not complaining about it, then we are the witness, and the witness might get fined. Because if they know that we are the witness and we are not choosing to speak, then there might be fines, and if he's taken guilty, then we might also be sent to jail because of not speaking about him. There are many crimes like these that happens, and a lot of people don't have the guts to speak about it because of the pressure. But we should do it so our world can become a bit better. India can become a bit safer for everyone, and if it becomes a bit safer, then things like this will calm down and these things will not happen.
So, according to my point of view, also the whenever we see a person stealing, doing a crime, or doing bad things, we should complain about that, even if he or she is a friend or he or she is a stranger, to the policeman, your parents, or your teacher. Because if you will not complain about that, your friend is doing this thing or that stranger always does this thing, then it will going to continue in, it will be a habit. And when this will be in your habit, then so many things can lead it, for example depression and etc, etc. And I will talk about more in the next round. Thank you.
So, if someone is stealing anything or doing so, if someone is stealing anything or if he is doing any crime, so we should not tell to him to anyone because it is we all don't want any fight in our country in our world also because if we have so much of the fight issues so we can live our world fully and peacefully so we should don't tell anyone.
Yes. So according to me, that first answer that Israel is here because friendship is first. According to me, that if you according to me, you have to address him, but privately. Because if you say the things in front of policemen or teachers, so according to me, he fostering trust for you and he don't believe on you in again time. And second thing is, oh, next time, according to me, that is main point. We have to give a second chance to them because according to me, we only every individual person have a chance to improve their error or their mistakes. Thank you.
So, so in my way, we should not tell anyone because like a thief is stealing something in your house. A thief came and started to stealing something. You are watching him. You are watching him, and your parents are little bit away from you. If you would shout, so the thief would go leave from there. He knew that where he came from. Like Ayush, Mohit, and Varis have seen my house. There is a main door and entry door and exit door. In the exit door, you can see there is a balcony, and that thief could come from there and also escape from there. If he is stealing from one room number one, and I am watching him from second room from outside. So if I would shout, so the thief would leave from that place, and also he could harm us. So we should not share anything with others because it is good and like we are anybody is doing crime at any place, like this is the responsibility of society members, where if not in my home is stealing, any stealer is stealing, but in another home any thief is stealing. So this is his responsibility, not my responsibility, that I would like to share anyone. And and about the parents,
if we complain about our parents, so the parents, what will happen to us? We will not get food also, and at home.
Next round.
So now, let's talk about the positivity of saying, of telling, or complaining about the person who is doing a crime or involved in such crime. So, first, if you will tell or if you will complain about the person who is doing a crime, then it will be added in your good karma. In chapter 2, verse 47 in Gita Sar, there is a slok, I think. कर्मण्य कर्मण्य वदीकरस्ते म पालेषु स्टार्टिंग से so so there is a slok in Gita Sar chapter 2 verse 47 कर्मण्य कर्मण्य वर्दी करस्ते म पहला पहला सु पहला सु कड़ाचना म कर्म पाल पाल हेतुर भूतुर्मित्य सत्यो सत्योस्त्य akramani, like this only, and it means you should always believe in yourself and do always be on the path of truth and on the right doings. You should not be feared or not think about the outcomes which will happen. And if it's in the Bhagavad Gita, it will surely make our life beautiful, and it will help us a lot, because so many things in Bhagavad Gita help us a lot.
I would like to explain by telling something. Let me tell you, we have one of the biggest, largest population throughout the world. And in India, we have one of the most largest population of the youths. And every youth is influenced by one and another. Take the example of cigarettes. It is getting famous around India in youths. Now, just like that, the scene of robbery, take the example of crime, or take the example of any cheating that is happening, it could be influenced by another person. A person, if someone is doing it, he can influence it on the other person, and he might also start doing it. But if we complain about it, and if we tell the teachers, tell the police station or our parents about it, then it would be better for us to understand his thinking, his motivation, and his motives of why is he doing this, why is he doing it, because he might be able to explain about his feelings by then. And it would also ultimately be better for us to make India safer, because we are complaining about it to make us and our newer generation that will come after us to make it feel safe for them and also us.
Okay. So, for example, we are seeing a person doing crime. So, when we are seeing a person doing crime, we are the witness to that situation. And if we will not tell about, or we will not complain about, there will surely be somebody with you, because there is no such thing which is hidden from the world. Or you will, if you will not complain, you will surely share it with your friend or your some other member, and when they will complain about you because they don't think like you, then you will be the one witness, and all the blame which the criminal or that person is having will be given to you also, because you was seeing all those things and you don't complain about it. So if you will not complain about the crimes, stealing thing and etc things, then you will uh, also be in that case in the future also. So to be safe in the future, you should complain.
So I have one example, and that in the exam, not one example, I have more points. And my first point is like Buddha. We all have known Buddha. Who is Buddha? And who not Buddha? Mahatma Gandhi and every Yes, every more successful people only want peace in the world. And when we have peace, when we will don't compete for others, we will don't fight with others. So that can be happened if we don't tell anything to others. Like if someone is stealing, so we should not tell to him others. And like exam cheating, in the exam cheating, we all have done exam cheating or a test cheating. When we do the exam cheating, so we get some real exam answers that are correct and we can write them, and that are so useful for us also. And there is empowerment and redistribution. So I have to say, like, what is said that everybody want peace. So I want to say you that, like, you captured a thief and you tell to the police that he was doing a crime. You told to the police that he was doing a crime. You told the police that he was doing a crime, and then you put him in the jail. So in my way, I think so. Like Ayan here did a crime, and I will send him in the jail. In the, so example. So a person did a crime and another person told to the police that he was doing a crime, and then he sent him to the jail. And who knows that he had a team, like we are a team, and also he also had a team who do crimes, but the people who messes with them, they kill everyone. So who knows, they would fight with you and kill you and harm your family. Thank you.
Yes, according to me, if we should not tell to others, because if anybody do a crime and we tell to our police stations, so, or our relatives, so according to me, first time he will be sent in jail, but after the jail he has a group of the people, means he in this group that 4 or 5 people, etc. So after that, after jail he will come or kill us, and yes, might take revenge, and they play with our life. Thank you.
Let's take the example of cheating in the test. So if a student cheating in the test, so he will get a full marks, and I saw him. So if I will say to the teacher, so I will be distracted and I will gone my one answer. I will gone from my mind one answer, and I will get low marks. So this is a source of distraction at the school, that we are complaining to other children who are cheating. And also I have I have a point, like if I told to a police that anybody did a crime, and I will go to the central jail or court for the many proofs, and if I don't have proof, so my case will be dismissed. And also we should not be, if I have a proof, so I will suffer from very long process, and my time will also waste. And about I have also other works, like in offices.
So everybody knows that the backbencher does cheating. The toppers and middle bencher don't do cheating too much. Backbencher does it. So in my way, when you tell to the teacher he was doing a cheating, so the teacher would take his test and exam. After some minutes, it happened with me. After some minutes, it the teacher would give his exam sheet, answer sheet, and then he can write the question and answers. So after that, he would, who knows, he would bully you and tease you. Why did you said my name to the teacher? And he would bully you that if you said that, so I would bully you and beat you too much. So after some time, the teacher could not do it, and you are in the fear of backbencher who was a cheater. And also take example of police. Like a crime is happening in front of you, you need to call the police. The police would take almost 5 to 15 minutes. In that between it the criminal would do his work and did and escape from that place. So we should not call the police. Thank you.
So if you see any person doing crime, and so if he is your close ones who are doing crime, so what will you do? You will tell to police, you will tell to your family, no, you will leave him. So suppose he is your about a family member, and
If somebody is not your family member, then you complain.
yeah, need. If someone is not from your family member, so suppose that
You become a hypocrite.
yes, suppose you become a hypocrite.
Double standard.
Yes. So yes, sir. So now I have an example of blackmailing. That you all know that if we capture the things, for example, you have a group of 5 or 6 friends, and your 4 or 5 friends they have an addiction of secret smoking. So you capture this thing. According to me, you should not tell their parents, because if you tell their parents, so they might take the revenge, or in the other way you are doing a blackmailing, and you are starting the blackmailing to them because of addiction of their smoking. Thank you.
So my last point is, recently I told you that in my class there was a child named Arman. His big brother was in class 8 or 9. He was doing smoking. He was smoking. So I told to my teacher that was a child. He takes cigarette and tobacco things. So the teacher said that I will mess with him later, and he ignored it. And after some time, when I went to the teacher again, so he said it's okay, he's bad child, it's his habit, his problem, we could not change it.
Yes.
So that's why we should not.
So one more thing, that is he is stealing something for his survival or for his family member survival, because all have their family and all have other thing to do, and they are stealing things for his survival or for
Why he does not do work? You are very good.
because there are other competitors and he cannot do business. Pol- there is a line of a wall that police always comes late, and this is also proven that if we will call, so police will take more and more time, and if we will call, so the thief can also harm us by listening the voice of us, and they can also kill us, and meanwhile they can kill us, and and
Do anything.
do anything which can harm us, like they
Like
they can also put like pepper spray. They have also
many things they can do. Yes. As they have.
So, first one, I want to counter Varesh and Mohit. They said if there is a friend, then we should not complain about them because they are a friend and friendship is on the first. But now, I earlier said a slok from the Gita Sar. It clearly says the answer. It clearly says the correct answer of their speaking or their words, that if you will be on the path of right doings, you should not fear from the outcomes. And when you have also said about second chance, complaining is also a second chance. And about the good friendship, you well also included one of his senior or friend, I think so senior. He said I complained but teacher didn't make any changes to him and don't take any action. So so first, if you will complain about them, then it will be most probably a second chance to get a better life. So here the second chance comes. And now, whenever about the true definition of a true friend is that whenever another friend, your friend is doing something, matlab some mistake or bad thing, then you should make him on the back on the right track. And for that thing you should complain to their parents, because you can't beat them. you don't have the right to beat them, so it will that case can be handled in the by the parents or the law.
It can be controlled recently, initially, or it might change the biggest picture
Yeah.
in future. If a person will not be stopped, है ना?
Hmm.
Whatever.
No. So you also said so many things about blackmailing, threats, and etc. thing. This is the only answer for those things also.
I want to. I want to say that Mohit, you said that they might give you threats.
नहीं माइक यहाँ लगाओ दूसरे हाथ से माइक पकड़ो दूसरे हाथ से माइक पकड़ो हाँ ऐसे
As you have said that.
use your right hand and then mic
अच्छा चल भी रही है. As you have said, as you have said that they might blackmail you or they might threaten you, but it's not always the case, and it would be better if you tell about it rather than crying about it later. Why? Because if you are stopping something at its earlier stages, it would be better for it to be stopped there rather than it going rapidly throughout the years or throughout the time he will spend doing that thing. It could be cheating. Now let's see if someone is cheating. A lot of people of you among you justify cheating, but a person is studying hours and giving away his lifetimes or his time to study something specifically just for you to cheat off of him, and you didn't even do anything. How do you expect yourself to be in the right here? He studied all of that just to be later found guilty because someone is saying that you guys have same answers, and now he has to be in that mess hole which you created. Of course, he won't like that. He did it perfectly by his own, while you did it by your cheating of someone, and that's not the right thing to do. Because you might be able to cheat off of in school, but you can't always cheat off of in life. So learn to be ready by yourself.
also in that same scenario if we all know that the competition is going on you can take this seat
Yeah, that's the thing. And other than that, you see that others matters does not matter to us. So let's say someone is coming barging into your house and he's an armed robber. He has guns, and what can you do? You can only do, you can only shout, "Help me!" So let's just assume that there were policemen outside, or let's just assume that they were normal people outside, but they had the chance to protect you. But let's imagine they say, "Let him be. I don't care whatever happens to
and he
him."
has said that
You have said that, right? Let him be. Whatever happens to him does not matter to us. Now imagine yourself in that person's.
yes complete that complete first
So most of the people, I think MD and Yogal said that if you will complain about that person, then they will surely go to the jail, and when they will come, they will surely take a revenge. But now, for example, you are hiding all the things which you was seeing, all the bad things which you was seeing in your life, and this thing will surely count in your bad karmas, and because of seeing this thing, because of being habitual to these things, it will lead to depression and etc things which will make your life boring and etc damn things. And after your death, when you will be dead, I the most surely, according to Indian mythology, you will surely reach to the hell because you have done so many bad sins and etc.
or you
So
also could help someone to get justice due to your own
yeah, and while if you are saying a bad thing and you will tell it to the court or the law, then what will happen? First,
somebody might
the
get justice
the law will protect you, and second, if the law, because of some reason you will be killed, then you will have a good life after the death. According to Indian mythology, in the heaven, it's a very good place.
Can I say? Varis, you said that a person might be doing it for his own survival. Let's say a person might be stealing just to survive because he has nothing. Now, okay, I understand that he might not be able to do a job or he might not be able to do anything, but how are you sure that he will not do it again? If a person is already living in a luxury because he stole a lot of money from the bank or stole a lot of money from a rich person and he's living in a luxury, then why won't he start to steal again, to live in a luxury again? Because it has become a habit of his. क्या हो गया ऐसे क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay. Other than that,
इसको देख के नहीं बोलना
sorry, sir, वो
छोटा है
Raja, oh, sorry. Other than that, you also said that they were MD Shabazz, as you said, the trial period of the court case is a very long. It could last up to years. I understand it happens, but it is happening because we are not complaining enough.
when it comes to your parents or relatives or closer ones, then you wait for the justice for long period of time. When it comes to someone else's life, you do not wait for.
You do not wait for the justice of others. अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ The thing is that you are just being a hypocrite because you don't care about others' personal life, but you only care about your personal life. So if someone is dying, you will say let it be. It doesn't matter to us. But someone from your family is dying, then you won't let it be. You are ready to give away your own life or your whole life just to prove that person guilty. Long court cases, and the main reason why there are these cases last so long because the witnesses don't really tell anything because they're scared of the police. Now if we start doing it often, if the person is starting to found guilty often, then the witnesses will also get the chance to express themselves. As you said that there might be a thief of criminals who might later threaten you or kill you. But if you are not telling him, if you are not telling anyone about it, then how are you sure that he will not blackmail you for the rest of your life? That you don't tell anyone and I will let you be. Of course he will blackmail you. Of course he does not want to be found guilty. That's why he will blackmail you. Either way. And there are still chances that he might kill you.
In many movies, we might have seen.
It's better to at least tell about it rather than just
Escape from that situation.
yes, it's better to be escape from these kind of situations by letting the police handle these kind of things while you are being the witness.
Or because of you, somebody might get justice.
And because of you, somebody else's families might also get justice and they will be happy. And as he said about the karma thing, good karma will get into your own way.
So I want to say point.
Jaldi as
So in the previous time I was in the 8th. So he had a friend Surbhi or Hana. She tell about that she don't have books of the other subject that the teacher is teaching, and Ayush was also don't take a book, and then Ayush also was punished in that time. And suppose that Ahana is me and you are the thief, and when you are punishing, you are a thief, and when you are punishing, so think that you are punished in a jail.
Yes. So as I have said that if we complain to the teachers or police, so it is also a type of second chance. So my father said that man moha maya muhi marmar gaya sarir asha tisna na miti kare das kabir. It means that if every person have an addict of something, means if we have an addiction of something and we are doing, so if we should tell to our parents no, because they are take benefit of your life or your addiction, and they are
might not understand.
yes, maybe no, maybe they are not might be understand you, and they are also starting blackmailing you in that time for your addiction or for your bad habits. Thank you.
So like Ayambia said that if your friend does a crime, so you would not tell him, and you after some time when you fight with him, so you would tell to the teacher he did a crime type like this, he did cheating in an exam. So in my way, like a friend did a cheating, so when my friend abuses me, fight with me and something he did in the cheating, even when my friend gave me cheat, so I escaped from that side and said to my teacher that he has a cheat, they are cheating, so you should take the cheats. But the teacher do not take any action, ignore it and do not take any action. And I used said about the karma thing, so I have to say like the backbenchers, it the backbencher friends, they are not our friends. If I am a topper and there are backbenchers, if there is a backbencher and they are not, we are not their friends and they also are not, they are also not our friends, so we talk with them normally. And when they do cheating in exam, so we would tell to the teacher. I also did it. So there was a child named Naeem who was doing cheating in exam, and then he, when I told to the teacher he was doing cheating in exam, so teacher went there and see him that he put his cheats inside of his shirt, but the teacher didn't say anything. He looked at his mark sheet and then he ignored him. Even I told to the teacher, but he didn't take any action. After that, when the exam ended, so he came to me and started to giving me some threats, and he was saying me that again if you did this mistake to me, so you need to mess up with me after the school. So I said okay. So after some time, and he threatened me. After some time, next day after some time when the next exam came, so he was also doing cheating. My one friend said me this, but he didn't told to the teacher because he gave threats and beat everyone. He was in the next class. If I were there, so I would tell the teacher, but teacher did not take any action on it. So it's a waste of time. Even in my science exam I told about it, so the teacher ignored it. Even my diagrams, didn't I was not able to make my diagrams in the science exam, so it's a wastage of time to telling the teachers that they are stealing.
And it also applies in police case too.
And it
Most
also
of
applies.
the time police says same thing to normal people that it is not your cup of tea, or why are you taking the why are you indulging in this case? He is a tendency of doing crime. Do not waste your time. है ना?
As Ayush has said, if we will share anything, so it will count it in good karmas. And first of all, who will count our good karmas? This is the question.
It's the imagination.
And how can you prove that the good karmas can be counted? And I want to counter him, like he has said that about guns and the group of people coming with at my home with guns, and nearby the police can also see,
Normal people.
and also normal people, and there are also society people, they can also see and they can also tell to police if I am sleeping and they are coming to my home. And police can also see because they are also nearby, as you have said.
You know, you just proved yourself wrong. You literally just said some seconds ago that it doesn't matter to us what is happening to others. Now, how are you expecting someone else from your society to care about you? That they will tell the police about you. Imagine someone from your society who is getting, let's say, is getting armed robbery is happening inside his house, and now you are the witness, and you did not tell anyone about it. Everyone will know about it, and you know you might have heard about this famous folk story where the sheep herder told three lies, and then when the last lie happened, no one came to help him. Now, just like that, this rule will apply to you as well, because you did not help someone. Why would you expect someone to help you when someone came? Yeah.
And here the karma comes.
So my answer is that to the police case, like a big businessman child did a crime. So the policeman, he did a good things in the society. Even he was awarded with many awards and many things. And his child did a crime, so the policeman would not take it very seriously because you saw it, but you don't have any hardware type project and CD type and video that you can see. And also the police,
You can actually prove in the
which you can actually prove in the court. And also because of the police, there are many things happening. Like recently when I was living in this street, so in this flat, so there was a man who came with some people, and he was a criminal. He lived in front of us, like this is our room and there is his room. The police came and he take our some points and importance. So we said that he did this crime, and some women came there, girls came there, and we tell them everything. But the police didn't take anything seriously. This is the real example. Police didn't take anything seriously. My father give actions to that. He's doing crime every in the midnight. My father has a job of event management, so he works in the midnight. So when he was working, so there was some bad noises and everybody was shouting and abusing. So my father told to the policeman that it's happening here, but the police didn't take seriously. They came for the rent because the person didn't give the rent to the house owner, and he took it seriously. And after some time when the news came, so he ran away from anywhere, and we don't know where he go.
thank you.
And